Hello guys, in this video we are going to check out the Lemlist app, that how it will install and how it will configure. So first of all go to the agency level and then go to level of marketplace and there search Lemlist and then install it. So if you want to install on all the locations then install it on the agency level. Otherwise you can also install on particular location as well. So in our case we are going to install on all the locations. So here I select this and then I allow and then proceed. So in this section you have to wait some time that the app is installing. So after the installation has been done, so there will be a message that app is successfully installed like this. So after this go to the location level and then go to this custom page and after this search for the app and then click on configure button. So there you need a IP key for it. So first of all you have a account of Lemlist. Then like this I already created it. So click on this button, this icon and click on settings. So after this click on integrations and there generate your key and name the key. So copy this and done and after this save there and submit. So after the credential is saved then you can use this app in the automation in the workflow builders.